How to add Visa gift card to Fanduel. Now before we begin, I just want to show you this. Some gift cards or prepaid cards may not be accepted, so here's how we can do it. Now first you will load up your Fanduel app and you will select your balance, so you want to click on your balance. Now the second step will be clicking on more in the bottom right corner, the menu here, and you will choose deposit. After you have chosen deposit, it's going to show you something like this, and here's where your card will be displayed. You want to click on the right arrow, and here it's going to show you all of your different payment methods. You want to choose add a payment method, and afterwards you'll just input your Visa gift card details, so card number, the expiration date, the CVV, and if you have successfully added your Visa gift card, it is going to be displayed in this list of payment methods. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.